After 27 hours, a few meltdowns, and a few crashes, I finally finished it. This is my donut. Hey everyone, you've probably seen a million YouTube videos where a genius artist learns Blender in a week and makes a masterpiece. This is not one of those videos. This is what it's really like to learn Blender for 7 days, and I'm a complete beginner. My goal was simple, make the famous Blender donut. It seemed easy enough. You just followed the tutorial, right? Well, that's what I thought too. This is a story of how a donut took me 27 hours to make. For the first part of the tutorial, everything was fine. It was really just an introduction to Blender, and I was confident that this would be easy.
Oh, Your Highness, I'm sure it's not that noticeable.
Yeah, I give up. And then there was the sculpting, which turned my plain donut into something that looked like it belonged in a horror movie. The rest of the tutorial was fine, other than my computer blowing up after changing my render from EV to cycles. The geometry nodes, the texturing, and the camera flight. But after 27 hours, a few meltdowns, and a few crashes, I finally finished it. This is my donut. So, what did I learn? That Blender is hard, but it's also a ton of fun. This video was my first step into the world of 3D, and the next video is where I start my journey into coding. Want to see my coding journey? Hit the subscribe button.